In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize or rotate your photo images simply via right-click menu options in Linux. First, for Ubuntu, Fedora, Arch and other Linux with the popular Gnome desktop, search for and open Terminal from Activities Overview. Then, run command to install the image converter extension for File Manager. The command varies on different Linux distributions. For Ubuntu, Debian, use apt install. For Fedora Linux, use dnf install. Arch and Manjaro Linux, run pacman command with s option. After installed the extension, restart File Manager by running nautilus-q command to apply it. Finally, open File Manager and go to the folder contains your photo images. By right-clicking on a selection of file, you will see the options to resize and rotate images. For Linux Cinnamon Desktop, the Nemo file manager has similar extension. User can install it by opening terminal and run the apt install command. Also, restart File Manager is required, which can be done via nemo-q command. For Linux Mint and Ubuntu Mate Desktop, open terminal and run sudo apt install caja-image-converter to install the extension. Then, restart Caja File Manager to get similar functions. For Xfce desktop that is default in Ubuntu, Linux Lite, and optional in other Linux distributions. The Thuner file manager has custom actions to achieve this feature. First, you need to create two scripts, one for resize images and another for rotate images. Here I created the scripts under .local bin directory. Due to limited text length, I can't post the scripts here. But you may visit the link below to see them in my website. And, after created the script, make sure it has the executable permission via chmod command. Note that you need image-imagic and Zenity packages to be installed for running the scripts. Finally, go to Thuner File Manager and open the Custom Actions dialog and add new actions to run the scripts you just created. If the local bin folder was not exist, you have to log out and back in. Then, right-click on image files to resize or rotate images. Different to Gnome, Cinnamon and Mate Desktop, the function is quite basic in Xfce. You have to type your desired width when resizing image, it will convert to height accordingly. And there are only 90, 180, 270 options when rotating. Thanks for watching.